The Changshan Islands stand as timeless guardians of China's northern seas. Here, life flows with the rhythm of the tides. Faith and sea intertwine on these sacred shores. Acred shores. Every dusk tells a story of survival and hope.
Hold the line! We have to move faster! The storm is worsening! Run faster! Catch the dog!
He's too quick for you!
Craftsmanship preserves memory.
Look at how fast she's getting that done.
I know, she makes it look so easy. We will be here all day at this rate.
It is almost done, thankfully.
Pull together, pull in time, across the waves and the foaming brine. We're halfway there and the moon shines
I can give you a
bright.
very good price for this one tonight, madam.
50 is my final offer.
All right, just for you. Consider it done.
Every dawn renews the covenant of sea and land. Fog hides secrets only the sea remembers. Life thrives in hidden corners. The islands are crossroads of nature's journeys. Even rain carries poetry here. The sea sculpts its own cathedral. Nature blooms even at the edge of the sea. The islands endure every season's embrace. The heavens mirror the sea's vastness. The moon guides sailors home. The islands once guarded empires. Changshan was a beacon for navigators. Generations carved their lives into the sea. Every stone carries memory. Guidance once shone from these cliffs. The sea keeps its treasures. Stories lie beneath the surface.
In the age of the great ancestors, the mountains roar.
A shadow fell upon the land, and the stars refused to shine.
But the fire kept us alive.
The islands are museums of the sea. The future grows with each lesson. The islands welcome the world.
We're finally here. Look at that view.
Changshan adapts to modern tides. cuisine tells the island's story. Art mirrors the ocean's soul.
This is incredible!
Survival means evolution. Celebration unites sea and sky.
I'm so happy right now, I could just stay here forever.
Music bridges past and present.
If you look closely at that crevice there, they say it leads to the cave of the legendary pirate.
That's it, swing it out just like we practiced. Look at that!
Wow, we caught the whole river.
Everything here is made by hand, with techniques passed down through generations. We are very proud of the quality.
Hi everyone! Subscribe to Troday for more travel adventures. Join our community and explore the world with us.